former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, will have to spend more time behind bars. His bail application has once again been rejected, this time by the Delhi High Court. Now, the main grounds for rejection, of course, are the normal grounds that he's an influential person. He can influence witnesses, he can destroy evidence. But other than that, the court has also dealt with the argument that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party time and again politically, that there are no recovery of proceeds of crime as alleged by CBI and the Enforcement Directorate. This has been used by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that CBI and ED searched the lockers, the residential premises and the office of Manish Sisodia and yet did not recover even a single rupee. The Delhi High Court, while dealing with this argument, has said that just because the proceeds of crime have not been recovered does not mean that the crime has not happened, and it has gone on to deal with this case, saying that this is a matter which should be dealt with slightly differently. As far as destruction of evidence is concerned, that is a ground on which CBI and ED have extensively pleaded, saying the way the mobile phones were destroyed, the way multiple SIM cards were used, even the file that had allegedly crucial details about the way the excise policy of Delhi was framed, even that crucial file is still missing and nobody seems to have an answer as to where that file is. Manish Sisodia, in repeated interrogation by agencies, has refused to give a direct answer. When Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was asked the same question during his questioning by the agencies, he too pleaded ignorance. So where is that file? Has it been deliberately destroyed? So that destruction of evidence, even when Sisodia knew that CBI and ED have started probing this matter, is something that even the courts, while granting bail, are seeing with seriousness, and also saying that the way during the investigation it has been revealed that the alleged conspiracy was hashed. There is still that imminent danger that if Manish Sisodia is granted bail, if he comes out, he could still influence witnesses. And not just Manish Sisodia, even the other accused in this case, Vijay Bonapalli and others who were part of the South group who allegedly conspired with Sisodia, all of them met the same fate. At one point, the High Court also referred to that alleged phone conversation between Nair, one of the key accused, Vijay Nair, one of the key accused in this case, and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, saying that in that conversation, allegedly, the South group received confidence that Nair was acting at the behest of Kejriwal and at the behest of the government also. So all of these are matters which have been dealt with by the Delhi High Court before deciding once again that Manish Sisodia, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, does not deserve bail at this stage. Now, the option of appealing in a higher court, in this case the Supreme Court, remains. What we'll have to wait and see is whether Sisodia knocks at the door of Supreme Court now, and whether the Supreme Court also takes the same view, even though in the past the Apex Court has underlined that bail is the norm and jail is not. But we have seen in ED related cases, lower courts, be it the District Court or the High Court, have hesitated to grant bail. Will anything change if Sisodia knocks at the door of the Supreme Court? That is what is the question that Aam Aadmi Party and Manish Sisodia are waiting for answers to.